Uber is facing a substantial legal battle as nearly 11,000 London black cab drivers are taking them to court, claiming they lied to TfL about how their app works in order to snag a licence. My name is Jack Reevers and welcome to this week's episode of Tax Tidbits, where the lawsuit against Uber has been valued at £250 million, which could mean the cabbies would get 25k each. It alleges that Uber aimed to unlawfully divert business from the existing black cab drivers in London between May 2012 and March 2018. This case adds to Uber's pile of legal troubles and makes you question exactly how this will affect their TfL licence, which is due for renewal in September, especially as it has been denied in previous years. The Home Office has announced that a major glitch causing delays at passport e-gates in airports across the UK has now been sorted. The glitch occurred late on Tuesday when social media was flooded with pictures of long queues as passengers had to wait to be manually processed by border staff as more than 270 e-gates across the country stopped working for more than 4 hours. The Home Office has said that this was a system network issue and that there was no breach to border security or any indication of malicious cyber activity. HMRC has admitted that scammers are exploiting a paper VAT form, the VAT 484, to swindle businesses of their repayments. This form lets businesses update their VAT details with HMRC, including contact info and bank details. Fraudsters are altering the bank details on these forms to redirect the payments to their own bank accounts. HMRC have said that they are addressing these cases and implementing measures to prevent this, are also urging businesses to stay alert. Letters are sent by HMRC whenever a VAT change is made, so businesses must keep an eye out for these, although the letters themselves do not state what has been changed. They have also urged businesses to keep an eye out for expected refunds, so if they are not received on time, they can be investigated quickly. However, we know repayments from HMRC can be received late at the best of times, so a late payment wouldn't be exactly out of the ordinary from HMRC. Heineken is set to breathe a new life into the British pub scene by reopening 62 pubs that had closed in recent years and investing £39 million in refurbishing hundreds more across the UK. This move, part of a revitalisation effort by its star pubs and bars chains, is expected to create over 1,000 new jobs. With the UK pubs industry faced with many closures from the pandemic and from the cost of living pressures, Heineken's investment aims to transform tired pubs in suburban areas into premium locals, bringing patrons back into their pubs. Tesla has reportedly dismissed its entire supercharged division, a move impacting hundreds of employees responsible for designing and deploying the world's largest fast charging network for electric vehicles with over 50,000 superchargers globally. Elon Musk has cited the need for cost-cutting measures due to increased competition from more affordable competitors, but has made it clear that they intend to continue to expand the supercharger network, but at a much slower pace. This unexpected shift has raised concerns for how this will impact prospective electric vehicle buyers, as buyers need reassurance that the companies selling these cars see a strong future for the technology instead of scaling back. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Tax Tidbits. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more bite-sized tax tips and updates. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will see you next week.